Morning all. Am I audible?
Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
I think we are discussing electric field due to an arc.
Yes, sir.
Now we have to find the electric field due to a disk. That means this disk is having a charge. Yeah, the radius of the disk is r. This is nothing but a circular. Now we are supposed to find the electric field due to this on its axis. This is the axis.
Yes, sir.
At some point P, we want to know the electric field. See this. If you observe carefully, this disk consists of what?
Many particles, many charges.
Pardon? This disk consists of what are the elementary object? How do you get a disk? Can you tell? A disk is nothing but consists of many rings, no?
Yes, sir.
This is like this, many rings are there, you'll get the disk. You add up all that. That means I'll consider one ring because already you know the electric field due to this. So this is some Y and this is dy. Okay. Now if you open that ring, what is the perimeter of that? And you know that this the width is how much? Dy. So what is the area of this? Length into breadth only, no? Therefore, what is the charge on the ring? Sigma into dA, no? We agree or because this is this, dq is nothing but sigma into dA. That is sigma into 2 pi y into dy. Any doubt is that till here? So now due to this, what is the electric field?
1/4 epsilon naught
So this is
dA.
some x. Okay. X square plus r is nothing but this. Remember?
Yes, sir.
Any doubt is that till here?
No doubt. Yes.
So this is 1 by 4 pi epsilon naught sigma 2 pi y dy x by agreed. Now you want to know the electric field due to the entire disk. Okay. There is nothing but a circular sheet of charge, no? So this if you take this, See, here x is constant for a given point, no?
Yes, sir. So, one, yes.
I tell what is the doubt?
Sorry, sir. Now it is clear. I got confused with one word, sir. Now it is clear.
So if you integrate this, you will be getting this as so. This is the result to take this. At least do remember this. Agreed.
Yes, sir. Agreed, sir.
Yes, sir.
So return this.
1 minute, sir. 1 minute.
Shall I turn this?
1 minute, sir. Last time.
So we have seen the electric field due to a line of charge. We have seen electric field due to an arc. We have seen electric field due to a ring. Then you have seen the electric field due to a sheet of charge.
Done,
See, I have posted the NCERT PDF. If you see that exercise in electric charges and field, in exercise question 33, he has asked that find the electric field to a line of charge. So things which are not discussed in the theory he has imbibed in the exercises. So whatever is, I just posted that for your knowledge.
yes, sir.
So
Thank you.
what is the syllabus is there, I am just discussing that only.
Yes, sir.
Shall I turn this?
Yes, sir. Completed.
So we can summarize this stating that whenever there is electric field due to a sheet of charge, the radius of this is r on its axis. This is a positive charge at a distance of x, and the radius is r, and the charge distribution is electric field. If it is negative charge, it will reverse direction. That's all. Sigma by 2 epsilon naught. Understood this?
Yes, sir.
if the charge on the disk is negative, then E will reverse, E will be opposite. Understood this?
Sir, if X is far greater
Understood.
than R, then the charge will be zero, right? The field will be.
X is far greater than R, it will be 0. Naturally, it will decrease. You know?
Yes.
Shall I turn?
2 minutes, sir.
Now we can from this.
Sir, the screen is not clear.
Hmm?
Don't clear, sir.
Pardon? Hello?
Hello, sir, the screen is not clear, sir.
Screen is not clear.
Yes, sir, the page.
Clear.
Clear, sir.
See? Suppose you want to know the electric field due to an infinite sheet of charge. See, what is a sheet of charge? A circular sheet R tends to infinity. Do you agree with this? Am I right or not? Therefore, any doubt?
No doubt, sir. Clear.
When R tends to infinity, denominator is infinity, it will become 0, no?
Yes, sir.
Understood this?
Oh, understood, sir.
Finished?
2 minutes. Sir, if R tends to infinity, then that should be 1, right? 1 minus 1.
Why it will be 1 month? I don't understand.
square plus r square.
X by root over x square plus infinity square. Denominator is infinity. 1 by infinity is 0.
Okay, sir. Okay, sir. Got it. Sorry, sir. Sorry, sir. I forgot the square, sir. Sorry. Done, sir.
Shall I turn this?
Yes, sir. Complete.
See, infinite sheet of charge means you can imagine that a paper made purely of charges. So that means, suppose this is an infinite sheet of charge. The charge is remaining where placed. If it is non-conducting now, so we can say that it's a non-conducting sheet. Is okay. It will be like this. Field will be like this. Even this side also you have field. Back side also you have field. So if we take this as side view, so this is the charge sheet now. You will be seeing that field will be directed like this to the left, even this side also. Understood this? Field exists on both sides. Is it clear? Remember,
Yes,
this is
sir.
a non-conducting sheet. So we can see that the magnitude and direction of the electric field at a point due to an infinite sheet is independent of its distance. Understood this?
1 minute, sir.
See, infinity is a concept which depends upon the situation. For example, a mosquito is there, it is nearer to an elephant. the elephant will be, it cannot see the borders of that. So we call it as infinity. You go very nearer to the mountain, say Mount Everest, you will see it's an infinite height because you cannot see the edges of that. Okay, but if you go on an aeroplane and suppose you are above the mountain, you feel that is not infinity because you are able to see the boundaries of that. So remember that the point location, if it is very nearer to the sheet of charge, it appears to be an infinite one. Understood this? That the concept of infinitism depends upon the situation. Okay, the location of the point with respect to the sheet. Suppose the sheet is having a dimension, an area of 100 meters square, and the point is located at a distance of 1 centimeter from the sheet. So definitely the distance is very small. So the sheet can be regarded as an infinite charged sheet. Understood this?
Yes, sir.
Clear?
Sir, so infinite is a reference point, a reference quantity.
Infinite is not an absolute concept. It is a reference, relative concept. For example, we say that, for example, Ambani is infinitely rich compared to a beggar. Understood? To
Yes, sir.
compared to Adani, Ambani is finitely rich, but we cannot say infinitely rich.
Yes, sir.
Shall I turn this?
Yes, sir.
1 minute. Answer.
Right. Suppose we have two plain sheets of charge. See, even here also, suppose some children are listening the classes. All are having the same class, same work. Next year, one person, suppose if he gets a rank below 100, he'll be highlighted. Actually, he is same, he has done the same thing what he have done, but relatively he got better rank. So that means the performance is also dependent upon the relativism, how far you are better than others. Here, absoluteness doesn't matter. You may think that absolutely all have attended the same classes, we have done the same assignment, but however, output may be different. Suppose there are two plain parallel sheet of charge. So for example, this is one sheet of charge and another sheet of charge is there like this. These are parallel sheets of charges. This is sheet 2, I'll number it as sheet 1. Now for convenience sake, we show like this. This is a sheet 1, sheet 2. Now, can you tell what is the electric field here due to 1? This is sigma by 2 epsilon naught. This is sigma by 2 epsilon naught. Due to what actually? This is due to E1. This is also due to first sheet. Okay. Now, will the sheet have any field here? Hello, in this region.
Yes, sir.
Will the see field is infinite, you cannot stop it. Understood this? It spreads everywhere. This side, this side, this side, everywhere. Understood this? Is it clear or not? Now come back to the field due to this. Due to this E2 sigma by 2 epsilon naught. This is E due to second sheet sigma by 2 epsilon naught. Here also E2. How much is that? Sigma by 2 epsilon naught. Do you agree with this?
Agreed, sir.
So now I can, what is that finally we get? Between this is the region A, this is 0, no? Because these two will cancel. In this, what you have? Sigma by 2 epsilon naught plus sigma by 2 epsilon naught. Sigma by epsilon naught. In this direction. In this direction. Similarly, this side, what is the electric field? Do you agree with this or not?
Yes, sir. Agreeing, sir.
This is linked with another chapter called capacitors. Okay, that means in between the plates it will be 0. Why? Because these two will cancel, no?
Yes, sir. Agreed.
Is it clear?
Clear, sir.
Yes, sir. Agreed.
Shall I turn this?
1 minute, sir. 1 minute.
Completed.
Yes, sir. Done.
Now, for example, you are having two sheets. This is having sigma A. Another sheet is having negative charge. That is, this is a negatively charged sheet. Okay. So here, due to this, you have and this is the field at various points on the left, right, and in between. Similarly, you are having due to this. This is negative charge now. So field will be this side. Remember this. It won't be away. It will be towards. Do you agree with this?
Yes.
Any doubt? Now you can see that. So the total field here will be sigma A plus sigma B by 2 epsilon naught. Here it will be sigma A minus sigma B by 2 epsilon naught. Here it will be sigma A minus sigma B by 2 epsilon naught. This is the electric field now. Is it clear? This is the purpose of all this discussion. In future chapters, they are all interconnected. Any doubt is there, you can ask, otherwise it will feel difficult later.
No doubt, sir. Please.
Laziness will give you temporary happiness. In the long run, you will suffer due to that. When you look back, you will be repenting for what you have done, but there is no use in that. No?
Sir,
Life
over
takes,
here,
pardon?
sir, over here the distance won't matter, right? The distance of
I
separation.
told you long back, I wrote a particular statement also on that. Independent, all that he wrote now before the
Yes,
sheet
yes,
of
sir.
chart. Shall I
Yes,
turn
sir.
this?
1 minute, sir. Done, sir.
Right. Now, suppose we have taken a conducting sheet of charge. It is infinite. Suppose it's a sheet of charge. You're having. See, what is a conducting sheet of charge? For example, you take this paper, man. This paper is made up of pulp. This is paper pulp. Instead of that, you make it with charge. Wherever charge is there, that stays in case of non-conducting. In conducting, what happens is it comes to the surface. That means some charge comes this side, some charge comes this side. So I can say that whenever we give charge to a conducting sheet, you'll be seeing that charge resides only here. That means there won't be any charge inside this. Understood this? In other words, you can see that the sheet comes like a, this is a negligible thickness, just for visibility I am showing. This is an infinite sheet of charge. Now this is one surface. This is the other surface. Okay, this is the Okay, clear?
Yes, sir.
See, what is the difference between conductor and non-conductor is when you give charge to a non-conductor, suppose you give a positive charge, actually there will be repulsion between the positive charges, but they cannot flow because non-conductor is a material which will not allow for the flow of charges. Agreed or not? Clear, for example, 100 people are dumped in one room. They have a tendency to go away, the repulsion will be there, but the doors are locked, they cannot go. Conductor means it is having the provision or it facilitates the flow of charge freely. So, like a door opened, what will happen? Charges will flow out. So, here also, due to repulsion, charges always tries to reside as far as possible they want to go. In any conductor, the farthest point is nothing but the surface point only, no? Do you agree with this or not?
Yes,
Yes,
sir.
sir.
So, in this case, nothing but what is that is similar to what? It is similar to two planes only, no? Am I right or not? So, here you can see that electric field will be due to both sheets. Whereas here you have, so what you will have here, E inside the sheet is 0
Zero.
and outside the sheet it is nothing but, so for non-conducting it is sigma by epsilon naught. Non-conducting it is sigma by 2 epsilon naught. Understood this?
Sir.
Yes.
See, to some extent, you missed the first year, took it very easily. Be careful with second year, highly conceptual. YouTube videos will never cater anything of this. You may be dreaming because those things facilitate what is necessary for drawing the attention of the students and increasing their input. Because that is commercial institutions. No, their only view is customer satisfaction. Like our food, we are getting lot of fertilizers for cultivate food now. So they appear very attractive, still very harmful. Because these corporate issues are very difficult. I think you have come across in newspaper that one Nellore fellow Anandaya is providing very good medicine for corona. No, you heard, I think.
Yes, sir. Heard, sir.
You can see he is giving free of cost, zero complaints. Patients are very satisfied. People who are on ventilators paying lakhs of rupees, they were saved. Okay, on NP did not charge. You can see that from last 3 days there is an investigation, inquiries, collectors coming. So much hangama they're doing. Why? Because this corporate hospitals business will go down if it is successful. So remember that all these corporate houses, Byju's, Academy, they want to monopolize the industry. Chaitanya, Narayana. So later on, they'll be dictating terms to the society. Because like Britishers, they came here begging for business. After that, they turned to controllers. So their only thing is they won't see the ethical values. Corporate means there is no ethics. How to get money is the only thing over there. Even corporate hospital, you may be anything. Go and join a hospital as a doctor. You are supposed to follow the rules. That's all. Suppose I worked in Chaitanya. 1 month is there, complete the second year syllabus. That's all. I cannot talk ethical value, children, career, what they can understand. They don't require me if I talk like that. So the people who complete, whether they follow or not, they require such people. Why I am telling you all this is many people get misguided. This is highly conceptual. Be careful. Lot of intricacies are there in this. This theory is high, more theory than first year means blocks, so some rope you'll be seeing here, you'll see nothing. You can see the beauty of this without seeing anything, you're getting something. You never saw an electron, but you'll see that electrical energy will come. Using that, we construct a capacitor. That capacitor controls all the electrical devices. It's very enjoyable actually. But try to understand that learning is very difficult. Construction of a building is very difficult. Tedious bricks, mud, cement, sand, all that coolie fellows and all. After everything is over, say for example, Ambani house, while constructing coolies, everybody have entered that. Once it is over, then it will be very glamorous. Nobody are allowed to enter. Security guard will be there. That is actually the fruits, but the roots will always be bitter, no? The learning process may be difficult, but utility is extremely useful. Shall I turn this?
Yes, sir.
Okay.
Be careful. Second is you have no time. First year, any mistakes are done, you can correct in second year. Second year, if you do mistakes, I think there is no correction. So be cautious about that. Okay? Right. Shall I go ahead? So remember that if they give a sheet of charge, this is a this is a non-conducting sheet. You can see that the field is perpendicular to this. Even this side also you have. This is what? Again, we'll prove all this using another theorem called Gauss's law. Suppose it's a non-conducting sheet of charge. This is the conducting sheet. Understood this? Is it clear?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Done, sir.
1 minute, sir. Done, sir.
Complete. So next is the objects which I am discussing. That is enough for your exam. More than that, you don't require.
Yes, sir.
You don't believe me also, man. I'm posting the standard books, no, followed throughout world.
No, sir, we believe you.
So this is a hemisphere. Okay, so the radius of the hemisphere is r, and there is a charge throughout distributed the surface. This is hollow, no? Now in this case also, can you tell how to get a hemisphere from any object which you know already? Imagine how to obtain a hemisphere with any object you are aware so far.
A circular sheet.
Circular sheets.
Yes, a ring if you take of variable radius. So this is one ring. This is a ring. Now this ring is having different radii. Okay. Now you can see if this is R, agreed. So suppose this is theta. Then the thickness of the ring is there now. That thickness is d theta. Agreed. The ring is here now. The ring has some thickness now. So this thickness is d theta and this is theta. Agreed. So here suppose this I can say that r sine theta. What is this radius? R cos
R
theta.
cos theta.
Agreed? No, no.
Yes.
Shall I turn this? Okay, let us find the charge on the ring. What is the area of the ring? Surface area of the ring is nothing but the radius into the thickness. What is the thickness of that? R d theta, no? This is nothing but circumference only, no?
Yes, sir.
Follow this? Do you agree with this or not? This is the ring we are considering. So as you know, dq by dA is what? Sigma. dq is sigma dA.
Sigma by A. 2 pi
R
epsilon
sin theta, R d theta. Any doubt is there till here?
Yes.
So this comes to sigma into 2 pi r square sin theta d theta. Any doubt is there till here?
No, sir. Yes, sir.
Now here you can see that due to this ring, at this point the electric field will be like this only, no?
Yes, sir.
Do you agree with this or not?
Agreed, sir.
This is distance, no?
Yes, sir.
X square plus radius is how much? X is nothing but r cos theta. The radius is remember this? Any doubt is there?
No doubt, sir.
Now
No doubt, sir.
this you substitute and simplify. See, this is cos square plus sin square is nothing but 1. You will get r square. R cube you will get here. dq substitute this. dq 1 by 4 pi epsilon naught. This is sigma 2 pi r square sin theta d theta r cos theta by this is cos square plus sin square whole power, this is 1. So now you can see that 1 by 4 pi epsilon naught sigma 2 pi r square sine, okay, you can do one thing. Sine and cos together, sine 2 theta, no? This one, this one, I can club it. So d theta you will get. Okay. This is pi r cube, I can say that. By, this is 1, so you will get r cube. What are this?
Followed, sir.
So you will be getting 1 by 4 pi epsilon naught pi into sigma integral sine 2 theta d theta. Any doubt is that till here? And you can see for this ring which is point here, theta is 0. For this ring, what is theta?
90.
For this point sized ring, theta is 0 now.
Yes, sir.
So like that it goes on developing now, like this. So I can say that theta is 0 to theta equals pi by 2. So this is pi sigma. Anyhow, pi will get cancelled. 1 by, agreed.
Sir.
This will be actually 0. This is sine derivative. Integral is what? By 2. Substitute the upper limit minus lower limit. See how much you are getting. Understood this?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Understood.
Any doubt?
No, sir. Don't second minute.
No doubt, sir.
Substitute the upper limit minus lower limit. This will become 1. Shall I turn this?
1 minute, sir.
Completed.
Yes, sir. Done.
Uh, Yes,
So, shall I turn this?
Yes, sir.
Right. So,
yes, sir.
we have seen in case of for a kind information, this question was asked in MSET, a state level examination. So here we have seen that what is electric field due to this?
4 epsilon. Yes, sir.
Understood this?
Yes, sir.
Shall I go ahead? Shall I turn this?
So 1 minute, sir. Please, sir. 1 minute. Yes, sir. Completed. Sir.
Now suppose we see electric field. Due to uniformly, I'll leave by 10:30, don't worry. Uniformly charged sphere. Say this is, suppose it is a conducting one. Now, whenever we give charge to a conducting body, what will happen? When
It comes on
charge
the
is
charge comes on the
given to a conducting body, it resides. Okay, that means you can see that the sphere I am giving charge. You can see that the charge will be residing only on the surface, no?
Yes, sir.
And how is the charge distributed? You know that
Sigma is inversely proportional to NVD.
sigma is inversely proportional to R.
Yes, sir.
Do you agree with this or not? This implies charge is
Uniformly distributed. Agreed, sir.
till here. Any doubt is there? Now you can see that
No,
the
sir.
electric field will be, if you keep any charge, plus one charge, it moves like this only, no?
Yes, sir.
So I can say that how to find the direction of electric field. If you place on plus one charge anywhere, it will be experiencing a force away, no, radially. If what is this force caused by what? Understood this?
Understood, sir.
Any doubt is that till here?
No doubt, sir.
So I can
No
summarize
doubt.
that understood this?
Yes, sir.
Study well, get advanced, and enter into IITs, man. 100% you will get if you put lot of work this year. Second year is most crucial. First year means still you are a kid, that maturity won't come. I am posting the standard books just for your reference to check are you in the right track or not. Yesterday I posted on speed practice a question bank. Those will not give you any subject, only for practice. Remember the last one I sent?
Yes, sir.
Yes,
The
sir.
half year.
Yes, sir. Workbook.
That
Workbook,
is
yes, sir.
only for practice. That will not give any subject. Subject develops, concepts will be developed. You do that, it's your man, that Rasnik and Dalita. Anyway, I am explaining all that. Just for a reference, I posted. What I follow is the standard books only. This is only a practice. The concepts are required because for advanced, they'll twist the questions. Two, three chapters question concept they'll use. SHM is mixed with electric field, that is mixed with magnetic field. Like that. So concepts are there, you can break that problem. What area of SHM, you know, area of magnetic, you know, area of electrostatics, you know. You combine this and you can do the problem. Only that practice book will not give you anything. It's only for speed practice. Shall I turn this?
1 minute, sir. I'm saying.
So be regular to the class. Maximum I'll only cover in the class. You work out the Sivarma book and the practice question banks whenever I provide.
Yes, sir.
Shall I turn this?
Yes, sir. Complete.
Hello?
1 minute, sir.
Yes, sir. Complete.
Done, sir.
Finished?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
So we already know that in case of uniformly charged sphere, for points outside the sphere, eh, outside the sphere, okay, the sphere behaves like a point charge. Remember, earlier we studied this. So this is the center with the charge Q. Okay, I want to know at this point P. So now you can place this instead of that sphere, we can remove that and place the charge here. Okay, now you keep +1 charge here. What is the field here? Force on the one coulomb charge is only agreed.
Agreed, sir.
That means
Yes.
at any point you can see that if you take a conducting sphere, the electric field at any point will be 1 by 4 pi epsilon naught q by r square, where this is the point, r is this. Agreed?
Agreed.
Yes, sir.
So here you can see that electric field will not be there. Followed this?
Followed, sir.
See the practice
Yes.
questions, you do the things which are covered on it. They'll be seeing Gauss law, potential, capacitance, all that we did not complete. This is one big chapter. Each chapter is very lengthy one in second year. Shall I turn this?
1 minute.
1 minute.
Sir, 1 minute, sir, please.
So I can say that E out is nothing but E in is 0. Okay, and E on the surface means R equals R. Follow this?
Follow, sir.
Is it clear or not?
Here, sir.
Yes, sir. Sir, one doubt, sir. Sir,
That
is this sphere hollow sphere, sir?
hollow only, no?
Sir,
I wrote that one
here,
only.
what we are...
If it is
Yes, sir, I
hollow
was
or,
confused. Now
see, it
only I
may
am
be
getting.
hollow or conducting sphere. Both are same, no?
Yes, sir.
There won't be any
Now
difference between
only I
this.
understood.
Because charge will reside only on the outer surface.
Agreed, sir.
Yes, sir.
Can you turn this?
Last line, sir. 1 minute.
Complete it.
Yes, sir. Completed.
Now consider this hollow or solid conducting sphere. The charge lies only on the surface. Okay. Now this is the center. This is x equals to r. This is x equals to 0. Distance from the center. Okay. Now you can see that till here there is no electric field inside, there is no electric field. You know that E inside R less than X less than R, it is 0. E outside X greater than R, you have seen that, and E on the surface, you have seen that. Agreed. So thereby you can see that there is no field. Now the field on the surface will be, this is E surface 1 by 4 pi epsilon naught q by r square. This is E in is 0. After that it decreases like this. Agreed. So this is
Yes,
the
sir.
graph of electric field. Shall I turn this?
1 minute, sir. Done, sir.
Finish it this?
Yes, sir, complete.
Yes, sir.
Okay. Then. We'll meet in the evening at 7 o'clock. Okay?
Okay, sir.
Right. Take care.
Thank you, sir. Thank you, sir. Take care, sir. Bye, sir.
Okay.
Thank you, sir. Bye.
Bye.